Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I am going to share a very interesting story with you. And before any further ado, let's start it. Guys, the title of that interesting story is The Grasshopper and the Ant. Once upon a time, in a deep jungle, there were living two insects. One was an ant and the second was a grasshopper. And the grasshopper was very lazy and always wanted to eat the food and always wanted to watch the TV. And on the other hand, there was an ant and he was very hardworking and he was very honest. The ant always used to advise the grasshopper that you should not be very lazy, you should work very hard to achieve your goal. And in this way, your laziness will put you in a big problem. Then the grasshopper always used to ignore him, and the one day the aunt didn't have any house and he wanted to have some house. And then one day he went outside to find a house. Then he saw there a big stone on the ground, and under that stone there is a small hole. And then the aunt thought to himself that this small hole can also be my home. And then he became very happy and went to the hole and saw that hole is not good as the others friends house. He had a lot of friends, but he realized that it is not the better home. Then he wanted to make it better. Then he brought a lot of small stones and the wet mud, and then he put that mud and he made the gates and he made the windows and make his house very better, very best one. Then he became very happy and started to live in that house. And he also told to his friend that grasshopper that you should also make a house for your winter. And what if you will not prepare your home, what you do in the winter? You will have a lot of problem in the winter. You should make a good house like me. And then the grasshopper ignored him and said, when the summer will come, when the winter will come, I will see, I will do something. And what you are thinking about me? You should work yourself and you should think about yourself, not for me. Then the aunt went, and the time passed very quickly, and suddenly, finally, the winter has came. And then the aunt was living very comfortably in his house, and at the dark nights and in the heavy rains and also hail, the grasshopper had a lot of problems, and grasshopper became very upset. And then one day he had a lot of problem, and then he also went outside to get home, but he couldn't get home in the winter because it was very cold outside and he could not go outside. But he saw a beautiful home and beautiful light nearby a tree. And then he went to that home and saw there is an ant, and it looks like that ant which was my friend. And then he thought that, oh, it is that ant, and that worked very hard to make his house, and now he is very comfortable. I should have made the house like him, so I was very comfortable now. And he realized his mistake and said, now I will work very hard, and I will think about my future. Then he went to that aunt's house and said, I need some space because I was very lazy in the summer and I couldn't make my home. Please help me. And I promise that in the next summer I will make a good home and I will not be very lazy. I will work very hard for my future. And then the aunt said, okay, I will let you come in if you will work hard like me. And then he said, I promise I will work hard like you and make my own house. Then he lived with that honest on the whole winter, and in the summer then he made a beautiful and good house and started to live in them his house. Then they became a very good friend. And that's it. The moral of this interesting story is we should not be very lazy. We should work very hard to achieve our goal, and we should also think for our future. That's it. Thank you for watching.